Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn English through a simple but powerful story. Many people try to learn English by memorizing grammar rules, translating every sentence, and studying long vocabulary lists. But after months, sometimes even years, they still feel stuck. They understand a little, but speaking feels difficult. Listening feels fast. And confidence disappears. The truth is, language becomes easier when you learn it through stories. Stories are natural. Stories are memorable. And stories help your brain connect words with meaning. So today, instead of a lesson full of rules, you will listen to a story. A story that teaches English and also gives you an important message about life. Do not waste your time. This story is about a young man named Arjun. Arjun lived in a small town with his parents. He was a kind and intelligent person, but he had one big problem. He always believed that he had a lot of time in the future. Because of this belief, he delayed everything. When he had work to do, he said, "I will do it tomorrow." When he wanted to learn something new, he said, "I will start next week." When someone gave him advice, he said, "Yes, I know. I will change later." Day after day, Arjun repeated the same pattern. He spent hours watching videos on his phone, scrolling through social media, and talking with friends about dreams he never started. One day, Arjun decided that he wanted to learn English. He knew English could help him get better opportunities and meet people from different countries. He felt excited about the idea. He bought a new English book, downloaded some learning apps, and told his friends proudly, "I am going to become fluent in English." But after 2 days, the excitement slowly disappeared. The book stayed on the table. The app stayed unopened. When his mother asked, "Did you study English today?" Arjun smiled and said, "Not today. I will start seriously tomorrow." Tomorrow came and went. Then another tomorrow came. Weeks passed, but nothing changed. Arjun still believed he had time. He thought, learning English takes years. I will start when I feel ready. Unfortunately, readiness never came. One evening, while Arjun was walking through the market, he saw an old man sitting near a small tea shop. The old man was reading an English newspaper. Arjun felt curious because in his town, very few older people read English newspapers. Arjun walked closer and greeted him politely. The old man looked up and smiled. His eyes were calm and wise. Arjun asked, "Sir, how did you learn English so well?" The old man laughed softly and said, "I did not learn it quickly. I learned it slowly, but I never stopped." Arjun sat beside him and listened carefully. The old man told him that when he was young, he also lived in the same town. At that time, there were no smartphones, no learning apps, and very few English books. But he had one strong habit. Every single day, he practiced a little. He explained that every morning he read a few lines from a book. At night, he wrote a short paragraph about his day. When he heard a new word, he tried to use it in a sentence. Sometimes he made mistakes. Sometimes he felt confused. But he never stopped practicing. Progress was slow, the old man said, but every day I moved one step forward. Arjun listened silently. Then he asked a question that had been in his mind for a long time. Sir, how long did it take for you to become comfortable with English? The old man smiled again and answered honestly. It took several years. But the real question is not how long it takes. The real question is whether you start today or waste more time waiting. These words stayed in Arjun's mind. That night he went home and thought deeply about his life. He realized something important. The problem was not difficulty. The problem was delay. He always waited for the perfect time. But perfect time never arrives. If he continued like this, years would pass and he would still be at the same level. The next morning Arjun made a simple decision. He would stop waiting and start acting. He created a small routine. It was not complicated. It was not stressful. It was just consistent. Every morning he read one page from a simple English story. He did not try to understand every word. Instead, he focused on the general meaning. When he saw a new word many times, he looked it up and wrote it in a small notebook. In the afternoon, he practiced speaking for 10 minutes. Sometimes he described his daily routine. Sometimes he talked about his plans for the future. His sentences were not perfect, but he did not worry about perfection. His goal was practice. At night, before sleeping, he wrote a short paragraph in English. He wrote about what he did during the day, what he learned, and what he wanted to improve tomorrow. During the first week, progress felt small. Arjun still translated many sentences in his head. He forgot words while speaking. Sometimes he felt slow and frustrated. But he remembered the old man's advice, never stop practicing. So he continued. After 1 month, something interesting happened. When Arjun read simple English stories, he understood more than before. Words that once looked strange now felt familiar. His speaking also became smoother. He still made mistakes, but he spoke with less fear. 3 months later, Arjun noticed an even bigger change. When he watched short English videos, he could understand the main idea. When he spoke with his friend who was also learning English, their conversation lasted longer. They did not stop after 2 sentences anymore. They continued speaking, sometimes for several minutes. Arjun felt proud, but he also felt grateful. The biggest lesson he learned was not only about English. It was about time. Time is quiet. It moves slowly, day by day. When we waste it, we do not notice immediately. But after many months, we see the result. And when we use it wisely, the results also appear slowly but powerfully. 1 year later, Arjun visited the same tea shop where he had met the old man. The old man was sitting in the same place, again reading a newspaper. Arjun walked toward him with a confident smile. This time he greeted him in English. Good evening, sir. How are you today? The old man looked surprised and happy. They started talking in simple English. Arjun spoke slowly but clearly. The old man listened carefully and nodded with satisfaction. After a few minutes, he said something that Arjun would never forget. You see, learning English was never the hardest part. The hardest part was starting. Arjun realized how true those words were. Many people dream about learning new skills. They imagine a better future. But they delay the first step. They wait for motivation, free time, or perfect conditions. Meanwhile, days pass and opportunities disappear. From that day forward, Arjun shared his experience with others in his town. When someone said, English is too difficult, he told them his story. When someone said, I will start later, he smiled and said, later is a dangerous word. Start today, even if it is only for 10 minutes. The message of this story is simple but powerful. Do not waste your time waiting for the perfect moment. Progress does not require perfection. Progress requires action. Small daily actions create big results over time. 1 page a day becomes a whole book in a year. 10 minutes of speaking a day becomes hours of practice. A few sentences of writing every night become strong communication skills. If you want to improve your English, remember Arjun's journey. Start small. Practice daily. Accept mistakes. And most importantly, respect your time. Because time is the most valuable resource you have. Once it passes, it never returns. Your English will not improve in one day. But if you use your time wisely, one day you will look back and realize how far you have come. Just like Arjun, you will remember the moment when you stopped waiting and finally started learning. And that moment can begin today. After that meeting, Arjun's life slowly began to change in ways he had never expected. His daily routine stayed simple, but his mindset became stronger. Every morning he woke up a little earlier than before. Instead of reaching for his phone and wasting time scrolling through social media, he opened his English book and read a few pages. At first the habit felt small, almost insignificant, but day by day it became a natural part of his life. His brain slowly started recognizing common words and phrases. Sentences that once looked confusing now felt familiar. One afternoon, while Arjun was sitting in a small park reading an English story, a young student approached him. The boy looked curious and asked, "Excuse me, how are you reading that book? Is it not difficult?" Arjun smiled because he remembered asking similar questions in the past. He closed the book gently and said, "At the beginning it felt difficult. But difficulty becomes easier when you practice every day." The boy sat beside him and asked more questions. Arjun explained how he started with very simple stories. He told the boy that he did not try to understand everything at once. Instead, he focused on the general meaning and allowed his brain to learn naturally. The boy listened carefully and said, "I also want to learn English, but I always feel lazy." Arjun laughed softly and replied, "Everyone feels lazy sometimes. The trick is not to wait for motivation. The trick is to start even when you don't feel ready." As weeks turned into months, Arjun continued following his routine. His speaking improved because he practiced describing everyday situations in English. When he walked to the market, he tried to name the things he saw around him in English. When he cooked dinner with his mother, he described the actions in simple sentences. Sometimes he spoke quietly to himself, but he did not feel embarrassed anymore. He understood that practice was more important than perfection. One day, something surprising happened. A tourist visited the town and stopped near the tea shop to ask for directions. Many people stood nearby, but they felt shy because the tourist spoke English. Arjun was also there. For a moment, he felt nervous, but then he remembered all the practice he had done. He walked forward and greeted the tourist politely. His sentences were simple, but they were clear enough to help the visitor find the right road. After the tourist left, the people around him looked impressed. Someone said, "Arjun, when did your English become so good?" Arjun smiled and answered honestly, "It did not happen suddenly. It happened slowly, day after day." That evening he felt proud, not because he spoke perfectly, but because he had used English in a real situation. Later that week, Arjun visited the old man again at the tea shop. The old man listened as Arjun shared the story about helping the tourist. His eyes filled with quiet happiness. "You see," the old man said, "confidence grows when practice meets opportunity. If you had continued wasting your time, that moment would never have happened." Arjun nodded because he understood the truth in those words. For a long time he had believed that success required big actions and dramatic changes. But now he realized that success often grows from small daily habits. 10 minutes of reading, a few minutes of speaking, a short paragraph of writing. These simple actions slowly built a strong foundation. Over the next year, Arjun's English continued improving. He started watching English interviews and listening to podcasts. Sometimes he still needed subtitles, but he could understand much more than before. His vocabulary expanded naturally because he saw the same words again and again in different contexts. The language no longer felt like a school subject. It felt like a living skill. Arjun also began helping other learners in his town. In the evenings, a small group of students gathered at the park. They sat together and practiced speaking English. The conversations were not perfect, but they were real. Everyone made mistakes, but everyone improved together. Arjun always reminded them of one important lesson: never waste your time waiting for perfect conditions. One evening, while the group was practicing, a student asked him a thoughtful question. "Arjun, what is the biggest mistake people make when learning English?" Arjun thought for a moment and answered slowly. "The biggest mistake is believing that they will start tomorrow. Tomorrow feels safe because it is not today. But tomorrow often becomes next week, next month, or next year." The group fell silent as they listened. They realized how many times they had used the word tomorrow in their own lives. Arjun continued speaking with calm honesty. Time moves quietly. It never stops. If we use it wisely, we grow stronger. If we waste it, we stay the same. That night, when Arjun returned home, he looked at the small notebook where he had written his first English words. The pages were full of simple sentences, mistakes, corrections, and new vocabulary. The notebook reminded him of his entire journey. Every page represented effort. Every sentence represented progress. He smiled because he finally understood something important. Learning English had not only changed his language skills, It had changed his attitude toward life. He no longer waited for perfect timing. When he wanted to improve something, he simply started with a small step. Years later, Arjun became known in his town as someone who could communicate confidently with people from different countries. Visitors often asked him how he learned English without expensive courses or special programs. Arjun always gave the same answer. I stopped wasting my time. Then he explained the real secret behind his progress. Learning a language is like planting a tree. On the first day, you only see a small seed. For many weeks, nothing seems to happen. But if you water the seed every day, one day it becomes a strong tree. The growth was always happening, even when you could not see it. The people who listened to Arjun felt inspired by his story. Some of them started their own learning journey. They began reading simple stories, practicing short conversations, and writing a few sentences every day. Just like Arjun, they learned that improvement does not come from big promises. It comes from consistent action. And this is the final message of the story. Your time is precious. Every day gives you a chance to grow a little more. If you wait for the perfect moment, you may wait forever. But if you start today, even with a small effort, your future will slowly begin to change. So remember Arjun's journey. Do not waste your time thinking about learning English. Do not wait for tomorrow. Open a story. Read a page. Speak a few sentences. Write a few lines. These small steps may feel simple today, but one day they will become the reason you can understand, speak, and live in English with confidence. And that journey can begin right now. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.